Wagwan, my beautiful people.
Hey people.
Yes, guys. So welcome to the Island Family channel. And today here with the Island Boy Africa and
Chica de la Isla, Maria.
yes, right. Alright guys, so today we are doing the spicy, how you say, hot pepper sauce noodle challenge.
Spicy noodle challenge.
Yeah. You see me? So I never did them something here before people, and yeah, I'm not that great with pepper either. But I love my spice, you see me? But yeah, so we are gonna see who first I reach for the milk. Well, she can drink ginger beer. I tell her something. I think that is a good idea. But yeah, guys, let me show you what I'm going. You want to show you the pepper?
So the pepper we're using first up and foremost is hot pepper sauce.
Yeah.
Made from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So made in Jamaica, product of Jamaica.
True.
So yeah.
Yeah. So let's show
go.
it in.
Let's do it.
And get this started.
I wonder what babes like with hot sauce, guys.
Yeah. I feel like I can't make sure in me still, so.
We'll see.
Really?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm pretty good at this because I like spice.
Oh.
Wait, that's
Jesus.
like a little bit, and then 1, 2, 3.
Show them. Turn around and show them. Well, go ahead.
Okay.
Probably need more, man. I feel like this light.
All right. Take the sticker off. And give it a
I feel
good.
like this light, mama.
I'm scared.
Well, not.
Hang on. You've mixed yours up.
Alright,
Let me
alright,
mix
alright.
mine.
I feel like that light in a woman. See me?
Hang on, baby.
A bit more.
Hang on, Mister. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna be hot as hell. I can smell it. It's really strong already.
Yeah. So let's see who first reach with the milk. Are the drinks? You see me? Lose. So that's the vibe.
Is that how it goes? All right. Can you get a cheat? One cheat. You can have one drink and that's it.
Nah. Straight up. It's a no break. Alright. So let's go.
Let's go, guys. This is super hot already.
Not bad.
I think it's the aftermath. I think it's the aftermath that makes it feel like.
This tastes good, but I feel like I it.
Maybe you need more.
Yeah.
I'll put some more in it. So props to me, guys. 3 drops each. Alright. Let's see. Otherwise, we're going to have to get the Scotch bonnet straight up.
Me Jesus. I'll make it that.
Well, it is a challenge, so, you know.
Spice, I turn up now.
Yeah. Turn up.
You still don't feel like that?
No, it still doesn't feel hot either. Maybe this mission's a big fail.
Let's top it off some more in there. Alright, that's
Well, I'm starting to sweat. Alright, hang on. It
put
seems
some
like he puts more in mine than him.
See that.
I think, guys, he's cheating me.
No.
Oh, this is getting hot. I want to drink, but I won't.
No, this I got get somewhere. It shot you know.
No. Get some hot Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet. Me Jesus.
Put some in there.
Put half and half.
Okay, but you gotta chop it up, but don't put the seeds in it because seeds can be really bad for you guys.
So the skin I do it?
Yeah, just the skin will do it, I think. A red one.
You can't pass that?
No, the green one. That's alright, I'll talk to the people.
Alright, okay.
So guys, I'll tell you a little bit while we wait for our Scotch bonnet because this is not really that spicy. We need spice. It is catching up though, I'm not going to lie. So I've been here now, 8 days? So 1 week in total. And it's been really good. Being most of the time here at home. Can even have it just by itself. It's not even that hot. I don't know. Yeah, I've been here most of the time at home because, we're still kind of quarantining and thing. And we were just watching earlier on a few little vlogs on YouTube. And we're watching how some people that live in the States don't need to quarantine because they get that COVID test before they arrive here in Jamaica. So they're lucky things, because I've been wanting to go out, like go to the beach and stuff and take island. But, oh my God, here he comes, guys. But yeah, I got another 6 days to go, guys. So, yay, big ups to us, we're doing it.
Yeah, guys, so we cut the pepper in half and take out the seed.
Hot.
Well, a few left back in there still.
It's getting hot in here,
Yeah,
let me
so
tell you.
we're going to mix this up. Whoops.
Did you take your seeds out?
Yeah, just a few left.
You didn't take the seeds out of yours.
Yeah,
Alright, you
just
gotta
a
mash
few.
it up. Alright guys, we're gonna mash it up. This is it, this is the story.
Alright, gotta mix that around, get the spice in, do the right thing. Yeah, man.
Spice in your life. Let's
But
hope
then a Grace Hamilton.
let's hope we don't get ulcers from this. Stomach ulcers.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, here we go guys. Breathing fire. Ooh guys, is it turn up?
It's turn up.
Okay, but you got to take a bite of the pepper.
Bite of the pepper.
You got to pipe. Okay, I mean,
Alright, let's do
you
that.
bite the pepper and I bite the pepper. Let's go. Hold on.
Let me find it.
Hang on. Let me see it. Here it is. Holy cannoli, guys. Ready? We're about to bite the pepper.
So we have where we are though? Chew you up or bite? Make it chew you. Make it more intense.
What, like fully?
Yeah.
Bite the whole thing?
Yeah, so go, let's go.
Oh, okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
So how are we gonna do? Oh God, me I feel it right now. Oh God. It's like you can how are you? God.
Holy cannoli, that's spicy.
What I'm trying what I'm working.
My nose. I need tissue.
Boy, my saliva run come down and I can't. Chica, see a drink.
Yeah, you drink.
Feel my tongue. I burn one.
It's not bad. It's drinking thing.
We have to eat more noodles, come on. Chica.
He failed. He lost because he didn't eat the thing.
You eat it?
I ate it.
What you talking about?
I ate it. You gotta eat it.
Me not.
Yeah, you have to eat it.
No. That not go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
He has to eat it, guys. You have to eat it, babe.
Tell us chew you up, but I was eat it.
I ate it.
What am I talking about now? God.
Babe, you gotta eat it.
You mad?
You have to eat it. You're mad.
Which part you eating?
I ate the whole thing. Oh.
What the right man? You mad? Look at. Let me just show you up, guys.
I ate it. You gotta eat it.
Chica, you crazy?
Oh, man, the stomach is burning. Oh, guys.
I did it.
But you didn't chew it, you swallowed it.
Yeah, so what you think
You're
of me?
supposed to chew and swallow.
But I chewed first.
Guys, who won that challenge? Oh my god.
Yeah, we're not done yet. Nobody not reach me drink our milk.
I don't need a drink.
We have to eat more milk. We have to eat mean. We have to... we have to chat foolishness. Yeah, we have to shell long in the movie, brother. Sister. Auntie. Cousin. Let's go. You had that right now. Go ahead, but even though me had the right there. Let's go, baby. We have to eat.
No, seriously, that chili got to me.
No, you feel like I can't think straight. All right, man.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, God, guys.
Ah! I know you feel like my tongue. Yo, what's that? Ah! Now this hard to consume. I feel like I'm ears, yo. Yeah, my nose
You're
are
sweating
running.
me too. That's why I said we need tissue.
You know what, babe?
What?
Since there's nobody now go for the milk, we have to go change it up.
What are we gonna do?
Who first done?
The what?
Who first?
But you almost finished yours. I haven't
Alright,
even
alright.
touched
Get on the
mine.
level. Get on the level.
Yeah.
Get on my level.
Alright.
Am I level at the minute? See it?
Alright, go.
Ready?
Alright.
Maybe ready? Who first done it?
I think I'm dead, guys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. I can't. No, I can't. I lost. Pardon me, guys.
No, what's up?
Oh, it's coming out of my nose. That was spicy. Literally, if you see us.
Oh, God.
If you see us, whew, sweating for days.
Yeah, my nose are running.
Oh my gosh,
This
guys.
is crazy.
So guys, comment down below if you think who won that challenge. Even though I took the first drink, though.
No, this is funny.
Even though I took the first drink, guys, though. I think he lost because he didn't chew and swallow.
I chewed first.
He chewed, but he didn't chew and swallow. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You guys can determine who won this challenge. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below who you think. And also, guys, another tip question. If you want to see us do another challenge, any other challenge, let us know.
Yeah, drop it down in the comments
Drop
section.
it down below and let us know who you think won.
Yeah, guys, so... Yeah, catch us in the next video. It's Island Family. Let's go now.
Bless up.